Welcome to our ice cream factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ice cream is made step by step.
This base is mixed to perfect proportions, ensuring the ideal texture and flavor.
The temperature in sector gamma is spiking again. Check the viscosity levels.
Adjusting the ingredient ratio now. Levels are normalizing.
Every batch is crafted to perfection and tested for creamy consistency. Every ice cream tub is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how ice cream is made. And so, Rick, Farn Tosin, from start to finish.